Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth problem. So guys, if you are having any problem related to Bluetooth, like Bluetooth is not working or Bluetooth is not connecting with any device, or having any other problem related to Bluetooth, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, and guys click on general, and guys after this you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys after this you need to click on reset, and guys the second option is reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to reset your network setting, because Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data are falls in this network category. So guys, when you reset your network setting, then Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and mobile data will be automatically set in your phone. So guys, after doing this you need to go back, and guys the second one option is software update. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using old version of iOS like 14, 15 or 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to 17. And guys after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem by doing these two methods, then guys simply you need to open Apple Store in your iPhone. So guys, click on Apple Store, and guys after this select your device, scroll it down, click on more, and guys after this here you can see the option of Bluetooth. You need to click on it, and guys after this you need to wait. And guys, if you have any problem related these articles, then guys simply you need to click on articles if you have any kind of problem related these articles. So guys, if do not having problem related articles, then guys simply the last option is call. So guys, you need to click on call, and guys you need to call at these two numbers, and time has been mentioned in which you need to call them, and guys tell them your problem to Apple Support. And guys after telling your problem, they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.